Welcome, folks. These 2 years have been no less than a roller coaster ride, from month long projects to never ending assignments. But the fuel of fun and togetherness have kept us going. And today I feel thrilled to be here with all of you and share our journey and give our upcoming cohort a taste of business design. So starting with this, firstly I would like to know your perspective of how has this integration of design thinking with business design have been through your program.
So I would like to say that design thinking is a highly user-centric approach, as we've all learned, and it aids in problem solving with a high focus on empathy and innovation. When we talk about integration with management principles, I believe the individuals are taught managerial roles through creativity, agility, and a deep understanding of user needs. This approach of problem solving, which goes from empathizing, ideating, prototyping, and testing, has helped managers or future managers actually solve difficult and challenging problems which they face in modern business world.
So now we have known like what is business design, we have got a perspective of it. I would now like to know that whom is it ideal for? Who can pursue this course?
First of all, business design is open for all. Even in our current batch, we have students coming in from diverse background. I am from civil engineering. Dhruvi is from BCom. She has done engineering.
Absolutely. Even I've done my undergraduation in BBLLB.
Right? So, because we have such a diverse background in business design, it is very good for peer-to-peer learning. And apart from that, we don't have to choose specific specializations, for example marketing, finance, or operations. We are open to choose even cross domain verticals as our chosen subjects. So in business design we get to choose our own subjects and cross vertical domains. So no matter in which sector we have been putting into, let's say I remember my first trimester project was in finance domain, my second trimester was in e-commerce, third trimester was in EV. So no matter in what domain or what sector you put a business design student into, he or she can do well in any domain, because we are not restricting ourselves to specific subjects. All the problem solving tools and techniques which we have been taught in business design are so diverse and useful that we can apply it in any sector, be it startup, be it established corporate company. To move ahead of curve or to do well in business, we can apply all the learnings in any domain or sector.
Indeed, I totally can relate with you coming from an engineering background and landing into management, but it has been a good choice and a best choice for me. So now we know that whom is it ideal for, and of course we don't feel it is specific to anyone else but open for all. So what do you feel, how has this program helped you to shape your future business career?
So, the course of business design itself is curated so meticulously that throughout each trimesters, we build up on our skill sets. For example, we have subjects like sector analysis, business analytics, UI UX designing, where you are actually creating user personas and then moving ahead how to tackle a problem. We have subjects like digital product management, we have financial analysis. So, like my friend said, that we don't belong to a particular sector or specialization. It's like, catering to every domain and actually creating a solution that can help us to build it. So I think that if you are somebody who wants to actually solve a problem, if you are wanting to be in a consulting space or maybe in a manufacturing set, solving any input, or you can, you're aspiring to be in a banking sector, then business design is your space, because here we move ahead from presentations, we move ahead to give a proof of concept.
So totally I feel business design is really helping us build our future careers. So now moving ahead, when we talk about careers, key skills, key futuristic skills are what the recruiters are looking into. So what do you feel, what key skills have been developed so far in the program?
As a business design student, every day has been a new learning. But to put it all together, I think a few key skills that as students we have learned is problem solving and mainly problem identification. In a world full of hyper personalization, identifying the problem, identifying the customer needs is very important. Otherwise, a company fails. So those are a few key skills that we've learned. And apart from those skills, a few technical skills that we've learned are Figma, Marvel, Balsamic, and such no-code platforms that can be used by non-coders as well. Also, the world is moving towards AI and metaverse, and we've had sessions of prompt engineering, and by our faculties we've always been encouraged that use AI as your friend and not as an enemy. So we've always been told that use ChatGPT for your benefits and other AI tools. So that's one thing that I would thank business design for.
Even apart from these technical skills, we have been equipped with so many soft skills. For example, understanding user needs and understanding users' pain points, reimagining the whole customer experience of a service or a product or app by subjects like customer experience and user experience, and then optimizing the internal processes of any businesses or any processes. So communicating and collaborating with various stakeholders of businesses. This skills has been very unique in our learning, and which I think definitely is helping us in our career paths.
Yeah, very well said. I would like to highlight then when I moved abroad to do my summer internship at Mattel, not knowing Spanish didn't bring a barrier to my understanding of the problem. I was equipped with the power of observation, standing there and understanding where the pain point is, and actually helping the company to reduce the errors and help in bringing out the possibilities out there.
So these are a whole lot of key skills, and I hope we apply it efficiently in our careers ahead. But we have learned these skills, we have learned different concepts in this program. So where do you feel have you applied this in a practical scenario?
So personally, I've applied whatever we've learned throughout our coursework in multiple academic projects like we've already mentioned here, as well as in my internship experience. So starting with the soft skills, one of our academic projects was with the KD sir, or Paustup sir as we call him, and that was in digital product management, where we were enhancing the customer experience for Zomato's table booking process. So there are top skills, which is problem solving creatively as well as empathizing with the customers, really helped me. Talking about the technical skills in the internship itself, I used platforms like Figma as well as Marvel and Balsamic to create app in my PharmaRack Technologies internship. So soft skills and technical skills help us to blend perfectly as a VD students. And talking about the future of a VD student, so here, because of the guidance of our faculties, we've been blessed to have them guide us through every step of the process. And that is why I got the opportunity to being placed in one of the biggest consulting firms and in the domain that I wanted.
I would like to interrupt. Hey Zomato, if you're looking at this, we have a project for you.
Not only Zomato, all companies are invited. So now we have known what is business design, its career perspective, how is it helping us in future. But we are here in Mumbai. So how have you feel that this city has helped us being a student of business design?
So Mumbai's vibrant business landscape has offered a unique advantage to students like me who are interested in business design. The city offers exposure to varied and diverse industries, specifically aligned perfectly to me, which are luxury and real estate, and Mumbai is a real estate hub. Moreover, being in Mumbai exposes students to innovative business practices. During one of our projects, we were sent out to find a frugal innovation, and Mumbai being Mumbai, we found a jugaad in every nook and corner of the city.
And I feel that in every nook and corner of this discussion, there was a lot of insights, and we have definitely given a brief overview of what business design is to our upcoming cohort. So I feel that if you're picking business design as a stepping stone in your career ahead, there's a lot to unveil. So see you at V School.